Hi, my name is Demisha Dandridge and I am presenter 1. We are working on Chapter 6, Delivering Good and Neutral News Messages. A good news message conveys pleasant information, whereas a neutral news is a message that is in the interest of the reader, but probably will not get an emotional reaction. There is more than one way to convey these messages. Both of these messages do follow the deductive or direct sequence. This is when the message begins with the main ideal, followed by supporting details. An advantage of deductive pattern, or a few of the advantages, is the first sentence isn't hard to write and the rest follows. Once you write that first sentence, everything else is going to come pretty easily. This first sentence should get the audience's attention and should be empathetic. Good news in the first sentence will put the audience in a pleasant mood. This makes them more receptive to what you have to say after that first sentence. This arrangement may save your audience some time. Memorandums, also known as memos, is one way to deliver a message. It follows the same preparation principles as composing emails. This is a formal way to share information internally. Letters are the most formal way to share information externally. With a good news message, it does use that direct approach. Some of the examples is going to be positive news. It begins directly with the main ideal. And that could be letting them know about vacation time, things like that with your employees. Thank you and appreciation messages. A thank you message may be printed on company letterhead. They should be deductively written and show sincere feelings of gratitude. The message should identify why the reader is grateful, provide specific reasons the actions are appreciated. With appreciation messages, they are written to recognize, reward, and encourage a receiver. When appropriate, you can address the message to the receiver supervisor and then send the receiver a copy. It shouldn't be written for self-gain, and some of the guidelines for this type of message is that it should be sent in a timely manner. Do not use exaggerated language. This type of language may come across as not being sincere or believable. Make specific comments about outstanding qualities or performances. Claims are the request for an adjustment. There are routine and persuasive claims. We will talk about persuasive claims, or more likely we will learn about persuasive claims in Chapter 8. Routine claims are usually because of guarantees, warranties, or contractual conditions. Routine claims should be granted willingly and use a direct approach. Favorable responses to a claim. Businesses want to know when the customers aren't happy. That way, this helps the business find ways for improvements. Businesses can assume claims are valid. Business use adjustment messages to respond to requests. This makes the business look good and show that they have a reputation of correcting problems. If a response comes in writing, or if a claim comes in writing, the response is usually written. It can include resale or sales promotional material. This is the end of my portion of the video. Thank you for watching.